learn speech on Republic Day. Good morning. सबसे पहले बच्चों हम सबको गुड मॉर्निंग विश करेंगे. तो गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल माय रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स, गार्जियंस एंड डियर फ्रेंड्स. As we all know that we all have gathered here on the very special occasion of our nation, which is called Republic Day, I want to deliver a speech Republic Day in front of all of you. First of all, I would like to thank my class teachers because of whom I got a golden opportunity to say something about great occasion on Republic Day on this platform of my school. India celebrates the 26th January as a Republic Day every year. The President of the country hosts the flag in New Delhi near the India Gate. This ceremony has many presentations and the national anthem is sung. Republic Day is a national holiday and it is celebrated like a national festival. This day recognizes India's best authentic occasions when the Constitution of India come in power. It is the day of pride, integrity and unity for all Indians. Republic Day was and always will be an important event for all Indians. Many thanks to all of you. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Hind.